Hey, what's up everybody? This is Clayton Gonsalves with Go Analytics, and today I want to show you how to replace a value that's inside of a column in your data table inside of Power BI. So let's go. Hey, welcome to our channel. If you're finding us for the first time, be sure to hit the subscribe button and click on the notifications so that you stay up to date to all of our data visualization and our data analysis videos. All right, so today we're talking about replacing a value inside of a column in Power BI, and we're going to be using Power Query to do that. So let's take a look at my laptop and I'll show you how to do that. All right, so here we are. I have data here from HR on all of our employees, and I've got some columns here that I want to replace the value in them. So if I go over to marital status and gender, as you can see, the values in them right now is S for single and M for married. And from our gender column, it's M for males and F for females. And I want actually to write these words out instead of just having the first letter. So how can we do that? Well, we can easily use the replace values function inside of Power Query. So let's start with our marital status. So the way that I'm going to do that is just by selecting the column, and then right from the Home tab under the Transform section, we've got this button here called Replace Values. So we can use this to replace our values. Once I click on it, we get the dialog box that asks you to input the value to find. So that's the value that you want to replace. So I'm going to go ahead and put an S here. And then it gives you a blank space here to fill in with the value that you want to replace with. So anywhere where there's an S, I want to replace it with single. Now, what if my column had multiple S's? Then it would replace every single S with a single. So there is this advanced options that we can expand to choose to match the entire cell contents. That means it'll only match if it finds an S by itself. So if we had another word that had an S in it, but it wasn't the entire cell content wasn't an S, then it would not replace it with single. So let's go ahead and click OK. And as you see, all of our S's here have been replaced with single. And we can do the same thing for replacing the M's with married, but I'll show you another way that we can do this. So as all Microsoft products allow you to do the same thing from multiple different places, so too does Power Query. So we can replace the value also by going to the Transform tab. And right here we see Replace Values. So if I click on it, again, same thing, it opens up the dialog box, and I'm going to replace M with married. And I'll check the match entire cell contents again. And click OK. And now we have our column actually displaying how we're going to be visualizing this data in our report. Next, we could do the same thing for gender. We could replace all the M's with males and all the F's with females using the exact same method. So that's it. That's how you can replace values in a column in your data table using Power Query. I hope you found this video helpful, and make sure to subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this one. We'll see you in the next video.